This simple 3-step distribution model is the reason I have a 75% win rate this month. And in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to be breaking down all 3 of these simple steps so you guys can learn this model and achieve similar results. Your first and arguably most important step of this model is to identify a high time frame bias. And you can determine your bias by identifying a key level and an SMT. I consider my key levels to be high time frame fair value gaps or high time frame highs and lows that we sweep out and use as liquidity, as you can see in this example. If you look at the Euro's correlating asset pair, which is the British pound, you can see that we did not sweep out that previous hour low like we did on the Euro. And instead, we put in a higher low, which is how you identify your SMT divergence. Using this key level in SMT is important because it just gives you criteria to identify a manipulation in the market, so that way you can anticipate which direction price is going to distribute in, giving you a bias. So now that we've tapped into this high time frame key level in SMT, we can shift to our low time frame and look for our internal confirmations to validate that this should be a proper manipulation. And a tip that you guys should use to make sure that you're catching the highest probability manipulations in the market is using the high time frame candle open. When you're using your high time frame candle as a confluence, all it really comes down to is having an understanding of simple candlestick anatomy. You know that all high time frame candles have to put in a bottom wick as well as a top wick. Coming back to our example here, you can see that our new high time frame candle opens and manipulates lower, tapping into our key level in SMT. So now all we need to see is a change in state of delivery to confirm that this should be the bottom wick of our hourly candle and that we're now ready to distribute higher towards our buy side liquidity. And if you were to enter this position at the change in state of delivery targeting a previous session high, you can see this would have been a winning trade. I made a free checklist so that you guys can literally steal this 3-step distribution model. So if you want this checklist for completely free, all you have to do is drop a follow and comment the word checklist and I'll send you the PDF.